Good afternoon, visitors. The vessel that you see departing is the Clyde S VanEnkevort Dep Erie trader. This is an integrated tug-barge combination. The barge Erie trader was built as the Lakes Contender in 2012 by the DonJon Shipbuilding and Repair in Erie, Pennsylvania. She measures 740 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. Although she's powered by the tug and the stern, she is equipped with a 1,000 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. She has 26 hatches on her deck and a maximum carrying capacity of 37,600 tons. One long and two short is known as the captain's salute, a traditional salutation in the bridge. The vessel initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short, and the bridge responds with the same thing. Above her deck, the thing that kind of looks like a crane, is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The tug Clyde S VanEnkevort at the stern was built as the Boothe Sr. in 2012 by the DonJon Shipbuilding and Repair in Erie, Pennsylvania. She measures 135 feet in length, 50 feet in width, and 26 feet in depth. She's powered by two 5,400 horsepower Mack diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 16 knots, or about 18 miles per hour. Today, the Clyde S VanEnkevort Dep Erie trader were loading iron ore pellets at the Canadian National Dock in West Duluth,